that you, PeaRoy, under all them clothes?
Why, yeah. It sure is cold.
Well, I know it's cold.
Well, what do you want to do out here?
You want to tell a couple of jokes?
No, I don't. It's too cold.
No?
It's too cold.
Well, you're out here. You might as well tell them.
Why don't you tell yours?
I'll tell you what. I'll tell
yeah,
mine
you tell
first,
yours.
and then you tell yours.
All right, Junior.
All right?
All right.
Why don't we tell some it's so cold jokes? Okay?
Well, it is cold. All right.
All right, how about this one?
Okay.
It's so cold that Grandpa's teeth are chattering, and they're still in the glass.
Oh, I get it. All right, Junior. That's funny.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's so cold that I chipped my tooth on my coffee. You are cold, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm cold. I told you once.
Why, it's so cold I saw a lawyer with his hands in his own pocket.
No. That's funny. Warm me up a little bit. All right, go ahead. Go nuts.
Why, it's so cold I saw a worm stealing the fur off a caterpillar.
Off a caterpillar.
Come on, man, these are funny.
I know, it's funny. That was all right.
I don't know. Why, it's so cold I heard Smokey the Bear say, "Come on, let's start a fire."
Oh, that is cold, like it.
Okay, all right. We won't tell a long joke. I know it's cold. It's probably good. It's about 25 degrees out here.
Probably colder than that.
At least 30-mile-an-hour wind.
Yeah.
I expect y'all hear it.
Uh-huh.
All right, you tell yours.
All right, well, I got one sort of like yours. I saw a politician with his hands in his own pocket.
Oh, a politician this time. Okay.
Yeah. So cold my shadow went back into the house.
Your shadow run back in the
Yeah.
house. That's good. That's good.
It's so cold that the sheep want their wool back. I don't play.
Yeah, I can see that.
I don't play.
Want the wool back.
Yeah.
All right.
The snowman was eating Ice Krispies. I thought that was funny.
The snowman was eating ice
That's
cream.
right.
I ain't believe I heard that before. All right, tell me there, or tell me the last
All right,
one.
the last one here. I saw a vampire giving out
Frostbite.
frostbite.
Okay.
That's
All right,
it.
well, look
You
here.
already done heard it.
I'll let you off with that one. I know it's cold
All
out
right,
there.
then.
Hey guys, thank you so much for showing up and listening to these few cold jokes. He's already gone in the house. I'll talk to y'all later.